Europe final, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to ask first Henk Ovink to join me on stage for the public prize. Henk Ovink.
Well, as member of the jury, I will tell nothing about the jury. So, but I got informed that we had a lot of votes, over 1,500.
Yeah.
Already more, or
I think no. It
no.
closed at 5, but it were around 1,500.
Around
online viewers. Yeah.
And if you have within those around 1,500, almost a quarter of all votes, well, then you can be a winner, right?
Yeah, a true winner.
Okay, and now I'm supposed to hear a sound. Right, yeah.
But you have to say, and the winner.
And the winner is, of the public prize, Rain Away. Hey. Congratulations. Congratulations. And the prize is a substantial amount of money to move your project forward. 5,000 euros. I think the public really wishes you a lot of success, and I too, to ensure that you are able to scale this up and make not only the Netherlands but the rest of the world waterproof and climate-proof cities. Good luck and congratulations.
Congratulations, and thank you, Henk. Congratulations. Really exciting to see, and the 5,000 euros can be spent on knowledge, events, coaching, all things to ensure that they develop their business further.